Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix NordVPN if it's not connecting. If you want to try NordVPN, you can use the link in the description or pinned comments to get an exclusive deal and discount for your VPN subscription. It is the easiest way to follow this tutorial and protect your devices with NordVPN today. Alright, so first up, let's go ahead and try to fix our PC or computer version. And then once that's done, we're going to go ahead and fix the mobile version. So for PC, if you currently have it opened, you can just go ahead and close it. Now, right click on it in your taskbar as well. You have the app icon, just click on Quit App, disconnect and quit. Once that's done, right click on a blank space right here on your taskbar. Now go ahead and click on Task Manager. Use the search bar at the top and just type down Nord and then disable or end all these Nord tasks. Right click and task, right click and task, right click and task. Okay, close it. Now go ahead and reopen NordVPN and then just wait for it to load. And then once it loads, you need to allow background processes. Click on Start and yes, as there will be a pop-up. All right, and after that, go ahead and click on Secure My Connection. Wait a bit. It may take up to a minute or two. All right, when you go ahead and quit it from here and then re-enable the connection, it will take some time. Don't worry about it. As you can see here, it's already good to go. Now for mobile devices, all right, so what you do is close the app and then tap and hold onto the app icon. Tap on App Info right here or the information icon. And by the way, this is for Android. I'm going to tell you how to fix it on iOS devices as well. So for Android, find storage. Wait a bit and just tap on Clear Cache. All right, as you can see here, it's gone because I just cleared the cache and the connection. So I'm going to reconnect to my mirroring. There you go. And once that's done, all you got to do next is just launch NordVPN, secure my connection, and after that, everything will work. As you can see, it's gone as well because I'm just screen mirroring. So I'm going to connect. And you know, screen mirroring uses or should use the same exact IP or Wi-Fi. So that is why it's not syncing correctly. All right, so moving forward for iOS, just go ahead over to Settings. Listen closely. Settings, General, iPhone Storage, NordVPN. Then offload the app. Once that's done, update the app, open it up, and you'd be good to go as well. That is how you fix NordVPN not connecting. I hope this video helps. I'll see you in the next one.